Hey, what's up YouTube? Ranger TS here. Just picked up this Lexus IS300. Trans is out, but until I can get it swapped out, I'm just doing the kind of like cosmetic stuff. Today I'm installing the Diode Dynamics Smart Tap Flasher Relay, and yeah, let's get started. So first things first, you go on the driver's side, just pretty much tug this dead pedal, get it out of the way. There's a small clip here on the back of the kick panel. Twist that off, set it to the side, and then you can pull this guard kind of out of the way as well. Boom, and then the kick panel should just pop off. Get that clip. There it goes. Boom. All right, then you'll find your fuse box, right? And fuse box will probably have a couple of, looks like 10s. So you're gonna loosen them. Here's one at the bottom and the other one up top. Hopefully no more than that. So loosen these right quick. The flasher relay is actually behind this fuse box. So once I get that loose, swap it out and get it programmed. So the reason I'm doing this is I plan on putting LED headlights and bulbs on the IS300 once I get it up and running. I don't want to mess with the hyper blink or bulb error kind of dash light. So in anticipation, that's kind of why I'm going ahead and swapping it out. Picked it up off of the Diode Dynamics website, probably for I'd say probably like 60 bucks shipped, if even. But I run it on my 2016 Hyper Blue STI, so kind of enjoy the way it functions, and I've had no complaints or issues with them. So here I am doing the same on the IS300. So that's loose. I think I can work with that. Let's see if there's any more. Hopefully no more than that. Looks good. Alright. We have to just give this a tug. I'm going to set this over here. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Alright. Set in by tabs. Here's the flasher relay on the back, right here in the red. That's what I got to pry off. So let me get on that now. Alright. Got two clips on each side. Get one off. Yep. All right. So here's the flasher removed. There's the Toyota part number, OEM. Alright, so let's grab the Diode Dynamics one. See the kind of the comparison here. Yep. Alright, Smart Tap, made in the USA. Diode Dynamics, right? So I'm gonna match it the same way I took the other one off. Alright, so there it is inside. Now I'm gonna clip it in. Right, heard the click. Looks like we're good to go. I'm gonna push that back in there. Slide that cable in there. And then line up the screws. And and reinstall everything again. Hard to see the ports and holes. Give it a bang, get those clips seated. Right. It's almost there. Set the phone down. Sorry for the angles. Just trying to do a quick vid so everyone can see kind of where stuff's at here. See if I can get it to align. Looks like I got the top one finally. Alright, let's grab the small ratchet. Alright, let's put the lower one on before we get too far. There's the hole. Alright. Let's see if it catches. Alright, looks like we're in business. Alright, that was good. Move to the top one again. Alright, looks like everything's tight again on the fuse panel, and let's do the reverse order for the rest of the stuff. So kick panel's gonna go back in. Looks like it's got these two clips you gotta align with the metal brackets here. Hopefully y'all can see that. Align that there. There it is. Nice clip to it. Make sure that's aligned back there. Here's that small end cap that goes on the screw here. Screw that in. And bingo. Alright, so the next part, just grab the dead pedal. It's got two plastic clips there, only really one orientation. Just gotta see the opening on it. Just face it up. And just align them. Make sure I find the screws. There we go. Alright, that's set. And then next thing is that last panel I took off. And that just pops right into place. Make sure I have it the wrong way. There we go. Set the clips. There's that. That last clip in, there we go. Boom. Bingo. Alright. We got it installed now. Grab my key I just got cut for it because the previous owner fucked up the key. Excuse the language. But now when I turn it on, hazards will blink differently. You can adjust the sequence if needed. You can kind of see it now. See? You can go up, parts. Let's see if that does anything. Okay. Alright. Hyper flash. There's the tap turn. You can adjust how many flashes you'd like. I think that's fair enough. 5 should be more than enough. But the cool thing about these is once the LEDs are on, you can get cool sequences. So there's the kind of that one, and then here's the wig wag function on it. So you can set it, program it. That's kind of the one I like using. So that's probably the one I'll stick with. But yeah, this is the IS300 I just picked up. Hopefully get more videos as I get parts coming in for it. A few things I got to replace back here, bumper being one of them. So it's missing. I have a body kit back there, but not really a fan of it. Hopefully find some OEM stuff. There's Kyla, just watching me install some cool parts. Yeah, this is her. Diamond white pearl, picked it up a few weeks ago. Slowly working on it, yeah. So I'll just end it here, and yeah, leave a comment below if you're interested in more information. It's from Diode Dynamics once again. That'll complete today's video.